Redefining space communication.
Redefinir las comunicaciones espaciales.
Redefining space communication.
Redéfinir les communications spatiales.
Did you know that in the heart of Europe, there is a small country that is big in space technology? This is Luxembourg, one of Europe's smallest but most versatile countries. In the southwest corner of Luxembourg is Haute-Charage, home to Mtronics, a company with one goal: redefining space communication. Now, how is Mtronics redefining space communication?
Réinventer, ça peut être ajouter, repenser, supprimer.
Più sicuri, più semplici, affidabili e intelligenti.
Lograr mayor flexibilidad, lograr mayor capacidad de transmisión y de procesamiento de datos en el espacio, en los satélites. Y para lograr esto nosotros necesitamos implementar tecnologías como SDR, como comunicaciones ópticas en nuestros diseños, y tenemos que mantenernos pendientes o siguiendo el estado del arte y los avances de la industria y estar listos y dispuestos a integrarlos en lo que estamos haciendo.
On pourrait s'attaquer aussi à la segmentation de données pour améliorer leur efficacité. On pourrait changer les composants aussi, changer les composants pour les rendre plus robustes aux radiations.
E rappresenta perfettamente la nostra missione: cambiare il modo in cui i sistemi comunicano nello spazio.
Daarnaast, ruimte, telecommunicatie, space communication, een belangrijk onderdeel van onze motto, is ook een essentiële deel van eender welke payload in de ruimte. Mtronic zet zich dan ook in op andere toepassingen, zoals radar, aardobservatie en camera's enzovoort. En communicatie is een deel ervan, misschien ook de gemeenschappelijke deel ervan. Aardobservatie bijvoorbeeld vergaart data, moet die verwerken, bijhouden en dan doorsturen, communiceren.
Communication is really about data, and data is what we deal with at Mtronics. We build electronics to process data, to communicate data, to send, receive data, but also to process data or to generate data in several ways. So there's something in every word, redefining space and communication in everything we do. Let's go to our slogan. Our slogan is redefining space communications.
Exact.
What does that mean to you?
Most of the competencies, most of the work that has been done and are done today are regarding connectivity between the satellite, the ground, and also by extension between the satellites. We have all resources or all the engineering capability to do that. And this is what we were doing. So we are focusing in a field, in a range of what we are good at. And then let's dream. Let's hope that we can really become a leader and a global solution for people that want to communicate with space. So the slogan, the vision, really shows, emphasizes what we would like to do. Focus on communications, being able to interconnect different things, that's the goal. This includes communication, but also radars, all the things that finally are with radio frequency today. Later, we will see. Why not optical communications?
The word redefining, it means several things. And in one of the definitions that we use in our external communication, we talk about redefining, meaning making space communications easier, faster, more secure, smarter, more reliable. So if we look at making space communications easier, what does that mean to you?
The goal is that when somebody comes to us and say, I would like to do that, we must find an easy way to answer to his need. So on our side, it will be reusability, and on his side, it will be fast time to market, reasonable cost solution that fulfill its need. So this is the few words I would say on easier.
Okay, let's look at making communication faster. That seems to be a trend in the industry.
Faster means we have more and more data that is generated. So it means that today the means that we have to downlink the data, we need more. So for me, the faster we can use it for faster time to market, that's also a way. Reusability and having something, but also faster in a mean that in the same channel, in the same tube, we can put more data.
Another factor is security, so making space communications more secure.
Exactly. Security in space, it's quite recent that people really take care or worried about security. Now, because we are creating a product line, those products are related to communication, we will be nearly in front of one way to hack a communication. It's to being replaced by another beam or to be fooled by a beam of somebody that makes that, okay, it's the ground station and it's finally not the ground station, the original or the customer ground station that is talking. So our electronics, our system, our software, our solutions shall be thinking about this.
So another element is that is trending is making space communication smarter.
As the amount of data is booming, the pipes to go down has a limitation. We try to increase, but anyhow, bandwidth is finite. So we must be able to process there the data in order to crunch them to reduce the amount. So when you look at artificial intelligence, AI, whatever we call it, this can help to reduce the amount of information because most of them or some of them may be or can be pre-processed there. So we must also be able to provide to our product a way to compute things. So here I'm thinking about processing data handling unit. That's part of what we have on the roadmap to be able to serve as a product.
And then the last element is making space communications more reliable.
Reliability.
Reliability.
ECSS approach or standard approach of all space, extremely reliable, but extremely expensive and very long delay. You have the new space approach, which is cheap, fast, and reliability is somehow degraded. We need to find a good compromise between the two. We try by using commercial off-the-shelf component with proper design to bring sufficient reliability in the electronic, in the hardware, in the system. Most of the approach that we have is redundancy at system level, not at board level, at component level. We are testing internally all our components. We have all the data, all the numbers that allow us to know, okay, when it will be in space, what will be the true availability of the system regarding the reboot, the latch up, the SEFI and all this. So if you put all together, you have a certain level of reliability. The goal is to be able to have something that is more and more reliable at a reasonable cost.
Thank you very much, Cedric.
You're welcome.
This was very inspiring and enlightening. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.